Yo, what's poppin', McLacken? Don't know where that came from, but hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Rejoice and you're watching Rejoice Always. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about all things customization, new iOS 14 updates. So yeah, let's get this cracking. If you're new, hi, welcome to this channel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and let's join the fam. So Apple just dropped the latest iOS 14 and everyone is loving it, and by everyone I mean I'm part of the everyone. So I think this was from TikTok, but I'm not super sure because I just saw this on YouTube and I was like, dang, I want to try this too. I have an iPhone 8 and I've had it for about 2 years or 3 years, or going on 3 years now. I didn't think this could do the job right because I was just seeing everyone with an iPhone 11 or 12, whatever the latest new iPhone is. I can't keep up because Apple's always like bringing up new things left and right. Anyway, so I wasn't super sure that my phone would have the compatibility to do said new update. But I am here to tell you that this iPhone 8 does exactly what everyone has, and so it's just like balling on the budget, trying to be bougie but not too bougie by spending a butt ton of money on the new iPhone. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how I customize my new, not my new iPhone. I mean, it'd be nice to have a new iPhone. I mean, just like it'd be nice to have a new iPhone, but I just want to show you all the new features and just how to customize your iPhone, whatever iPhone you have. I wish I had a screen recording of how my phone looked before this, but I don't. So you are just gonna have to see the after, which is so much more cooler than the before. Anyway, so for you to have this new update, well, you obviously have to update your phone. See if your phone is compatible with this new update. It's an iOS 14 and it's gonna take a little bit of time for you to update your phone. I did mine overnight and so I didn't have to wait for it. I just had to wake up and see the newness of it. Okay, so whenever I updated my phone, I was just like, what's the difference? Like what's the difference between what I had before and what I have now? But yo, let me tell you, the difference is impeccable. I was looking at my phone and I was just like, all right, let's see. So when you swipe left, it has this like I guess pictures and a calendar and the weather, just different kind of widgets. I don't know what this black stuff is. It has maps, how much battery we have left. I don't know what the other ones are. And then your screen time, which when quarantine started, I turned off my screen time because I didn't want to be embarrassed by how much time I was spending on my phone. And then when you scroll to the right, depending on how your phone was before, you see the app library. It's a great like little section. It's all categorized well. So, and then you could always like scroll down on it and like type whatever you need to like find in case you don't like see what you need to open up before. But it's a cute little area. Those were like the nice little features that I saw immediately when I opened my phone. Now we're just gonna talk about how to customize your phone. So the 3 apps that I used were Color Widgets, Widgetsmith, and Pinterest. And all of these apps you can find free on the App Store, except if you want to add like buy stuff in app purchases, then you're totally go ahead and do it. The way I customize mine, which will be right here, I use Color Widget for the Tuesday right here, the time and the date. And so for you to do that, you go to your App Store, you type in Color Widgets, you go to open, and this has like just cool stuff that you can pick from. What I did, so let's say I just tap on this one here and you edit the widget. You can add a photo on this. So I added a photo. I think what I did was this one, and then you can pick what kind of font you want, what kind of font you're feeling. I chose the first one, I think. And so then you can decide whether you want it a small or medium or large, and I think I did it medium. And then you can set your widget, which since I already had this, it just sets. But for you to set your widget in the beginning, you tap on your screen. So you tap on your screen, like tap down on your screen, and you see this plus sign here at the corner of the right side. And then you can either search. I like to search because I don't want to be scrolling down. Tap in color widgets, and then it automatically comes up as the one you created in the first time. And so you can do it either small, medium, or large, and I did medium. So you put it right there, and then that's how you do it. I used Widgetsmith for the other ones. So for that to happen, you download Widgetsmith just like you did color widget. And for it to be easy, I just type in Widgetsmith. So for this September calendar, like for the full calendar that I have right here, I found a picture on Pinterest. So for you to do that, you just go on Pinterest really and just type in aesthetic pictures or just aesthetic little things, and that's how I got the background too. I don't know, I've been up all with the palm trees and stuff. I've just been feeling the vibes of palm trees. I don't know why. So that's where I got the background from on Pinterest, and then I got that calendar thing with the widget right here on Pinterest too. So for you to add a picture on the Widgetsmith is what I'm going to show you now. So go to Widgetsmith, and then you go to small, we'll do small number 6. You click on that, and then what you want to do is scroll all the way down to photos, and then right here on the bottom it says selected photo right there. You choose your photo, and then I have right here. So you go back, you click save, and then you go back to this page that you're trying to add the widget to. You like click on it, like I said, you press down on it, and the plus sign right here, you click on it, and then you type in Widgetsmith, and you do small. I think it was small that I did. You add widget right there, and you can always move it around and stuff. You tap on the widget, hold on, you click on the widget, you press down on the widget that you're trying to change, and then you edit the widget. Click on the number, and I think it was small number 6, and so that changes it for you. And so then you can just like customize however you want with that, change stuff around. And for you to have these cute little icons that I have here, you need the app shortcut, which you already have it on your phone, except if you don't, you can always download it, but I'm pretty sure you should have it already. So what you want to do is go back to search, shortcut, you click on that, and then what you want to do is go to the plus button, then you add an action, and then you want to go to scripting. And on scripting, you want to go to open app. Then you, let's see, for the sake of this video, let's change the camera. So you type in camera, click on next, and then we're just gonna type in the name camera just so it's easy for us to remember. You go on done, and then you click the 3 little buttons on the camera. Then you click on the 3 little buttons again. You go to add to home screen, and then you click on the icon next to the camera. So like this icon here next to the words, click on that, and then you should see 3 little options, edit icon. So choose file, choose photo, and take photo. So you choose photo, then we can use that one. You just size it to your liking, and you choose, and then you add. Done. So this will take you, oh, it automatically just goes over there. So you could always move it around. You can move stuff around however you like it to be. That's pretty much how you just customize your stuff to however you feel like it. So the only problem or the only disadvantage to the shortcut and why I'm not customizing all of my apps is because it's gonna take forever, 1, and 2, every time you click on that shortcut, it goes to the shortcut page first and before it goes to the actual app. So let's say I click on the camera app, it would go to the shortcut first and then goes to the camera app. So Take a look at this. Hey, that's my smiley face. And so that's what happens. That's like the only thing that's wrong with like making this little icon thing. But hey, if you want to do it and you don't care about how much it hurts you to see your app immediately, then go ahead and go for it. But if you are not a patient person, then don't do it. Another cool thing you can do is to hide your tabs. So how to do that is, I used to have, I think, 3 tabs, like 3 slides and stuff. So you, again, press down on your screen. There's going to be 4 dots or 3 dots or 1 dot, like on the bottom here, depending on how many slides you have. You tap on that little bottom part of it, tap on it, and then you see there's like 4 pages on here, and the circle with a check mark on it shows that those are the things I can see, and the circles without the check on them is the ones that are hidden, which is pretty cool. So once you click on that circle that checks it, that means you can see all of them. So then I can see all of my pages. So the ones that are customized really neat, the one that's just in little folders, because I try to be organized with my stuff, and then yeah, so I just like to really hide it. And because, like, why have it when I have this library, you know, because that's just a whole bunch of stuff. So the library really does keep things organized for me too. So for mine, I just have the time, that calendar, the 4 apps that I go to really much during the day, and then I have this little motivational thing, which you can also have a motivational widget. You can download that. I think it's just motivation. I'll put the link down also in the description. And then on the next one, I have the sunrise and sunset, and then I have my to-do list, and then I have also another motivation, because I'm just a big motivation. I just need motivation throughout my day. And yeah, so that is pretty much what I have for my customization on my phone. I literally, like, I love it so much. I'm about to go change my mom's phone too if she lets me. So other cool things, cool features, right? So I found this out the other day because I use Siri a lot. So when I say, hey Siri, the blue thing shows up, and I'm just like, that's pretty cool.
The Blues lost to the Canucks in Game 6 of the first round of the playoffs on the 21st of August, 2020.
So it doesn't show up as a different page, it just has a little ball thingy, and that just makes, I don't know, it just makes me really happy. And another thing that also happens is whenever you're like on something on your phone and you are receiving a phone call, it doesn't take you to a whole different page. It like slides up, like it's just an up thingy, and you click on it, and you can speak to whoever is on the phone, if that makes any sense. So let's say I have my mom calling me or something, instead of the whole page to turn black or whatever it always turns to, it would just be up front here, and then you just click on the thing. And I thought that was pretty cool. The maps also is pretty cool. There's a translate app. It's just so many like updating stuff, and it's just so cool. But this is all I have for you guys. I hope you all enjoy it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. And as always, you are loved, and you're worthy of love, and you're most definitely here for a reason. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.